this seed, man. This must cook now, you know. What else are they? Come here, son, man. Contest this seed, man. Rasta!
Rasta!
No, man. I say take the seed. I never give no goat. I never give no heart. I give the seed. Why you want the kid now, man? Oh, that's enough, you know, no seed, you know. So I'll come over here, you see. Yeah? No, so it's not gravy, this is just one of them. No. Just pull up the salt on it. This is emergency, you know. This is not chop rice, this, you know. This is emergency, you know.
Alright, today my American friend trying rice and beans for the first time.
First time.
First time trying rice and beans.
First time. Oh my God.
First time.
Look at that.
First time.
I know it's going to be good.
First time trying that shit.
Oh man. Oh wait. I gotta do this the real
way.
Real way.
Jamaican way.
A Jamaican way.
Bumbaclaw. Alright. Tell me what it tastes now. The Jamaican way.
Body of fuck. Oh yeah.
That's it. That's it.
Body of fuck.
Yeah, man. Jamaican way.
Jamaican way.
Alright.
Go on, someone. Hold on, I'm talk to you. I'm talk to you. Hold on, I'm talk to you.
You can't tame your blood.
So you move, sir.
Not a God can bomb a Rasta.
You talk me, I talk to you. So you go on to uncle.
Top one, man. Top bomb a Rasta. Me mean that pussy class.
So you customer bad one.
Me mean that something.
What you mean? What you mean?
Me say me mean that blood class.
So what can I eat that, man?
You me a blood class, yes.
You dance, man?
You want blood dance, man. Me no want your phone.
Tap over, someone.
Yeah, man.
Tap over, you done. I be your phone, you talk about.
What it?
Where you talk
Me
about
no want
phone
your blood clot.
Where you talk about phone for? So you talk about phone for? Me not talk about phone. I be your phone, you talk about. So be your phone, you talk about.
Me say you can't change your bomb, Rasta.
But me not talk about no phone.
Can't keep your phone, man.
Where phone do you? Phone over the phone.
You say keep your phone, man. We don't need the blood clot, man. Keep it Rasta, man.
How can I eat that, man? The man work. Move on, the man work, man. Move on, man. If they eat that, though, I see man work.
What do you want? Me don't.
Come on, what the phone do? What the phone do?
You know do me now. Bomb.
What you want to about the phone, so? What the phone do? What the phone do? What the phone do?
You know do me now.
So you want to give back the phone for? So you want to give back it for?
Say me no want no, me no want. Say me no want no, I'm gonna riot syphilis, pum pum, gal. Move from your so with your sick pum pum. Me no go live back, me no fix pum pum. Me no bite, me no taste, me no lick pum pum. But me take out me cocky and stick pum pum. Well a fresh touchy road, me go link pum 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 pum. And go and hype me a fit this pum pum. Circle one club and get a quick pum pum. You get a bass in your face if you kiss pum pum. You say you're your girl and now you're pum pum. You know bother beat her if she run pum pum. You know hear Shabba say you can't done pum pum. Well I know a frat kid you know the pum pum. Man get the little and tight so you pum pum. Tan me no drink cherry juice me am pum pum yam. But me love every girl who have a pum pum plan. So me say freaky girl do what you want to do. Bad girl do what you want. Say me a hear some things we me can't understand. Some of the ya me hear say punani man and yam. Punani and no fish and no pork and no ham. The licky style they are where them get it from. Dagamos, New York or over Japan. Other day me book a girl that and not too long. Now go tell her where she name and where she come from. She give me one head and bite me for me. And I say the way the John switch it take her something for them. So me say freaky girl do what you want to do.
Never know a Sahim did bad until him hold the mic.
Broke a sneaking girl, so she don't even know it was a bleaching girl. So me I got up the street with her, power in, look a boy then go sleep with her. Sleep with her, things for everything, Mary when me wake up, me can't find my Blackberry. The girl rip me off and pull all the variable things, say I lie, the socks, my brain cherry. How she do it, me no know when she pass me. This a girl a teeth milk out a coffee. You think I'm a big man, I want a party. Look at you carry on a young girl. back shot me. I tell a friend them both that she lock me. But when she said no boots, me head at me. Move up to know if a shot she want shot me. She said no boots, no sexy choir. You ever see a car drive without tire? You ever see current run without wire? You ever see that thing come like smoke without fire? But no boots. What is the name of that? Any girl of me, I touch me, I've got them by the backbone. No boots. Hey, God, shot. You ever see that?
Woman say, woman knows that we run, Charlie.
So what want the pom-pom?
No boy, my dog. No boy, my dog. No sessa man. No sessa man. No sessa man. What's a pom pom? What's a pom pom? What's a pom pom? No sessa man. No boy, my dog. No boy, dog. No boy. Severally. That's a cord. What's a pom pom? Not a cord. What's a pom pom? No boy, my dog. No sessa man. No sessa man. No sessa man. What's a pom pom?
Really?
Want to be there? Want that? Me want time. Want time. Want a pom pom. Want a pom pom.
Great.
Come here, Ringo. See about that song going on.
Where am I going without them?
Come here.
Where am I going with?
Yeah, you must shake by you, Ringo.
No, I'm nice.
Who you talk about, Ringo? Who you talk? Who you talk to?
Mine here come to here.
No, take him, not me. Take him.
Rasta.
I'm closing up. Look at my blood clot tonight closing.
Y'all never right?
Talk your man, I'm back there, the school bag. Talk your man.
Rasta think me no run, you know, so.
You name me.
Who name shit?
You name me shit, boy.
See how shit come out here, man. Because shit no fuck.
So why come here come blow pan like you? Me dey joking me in 292 blood clot there and back sick.
Think
I don't think a blood clot joke me there more.